Hi, welcome back to Just Catherine. Um, how are you doing on your fitness journey? So here where I am, it's been really cold and I've been going out, I've been walking, doing my walking, but I'm doubling up. So if you're going out and it's cold, please make sure that you're warm enough. I put on two pair of pants, usually two shirts and a jacket, and then I have my gloves on. If it's too cold, I'll actually put on a face mask too to protect my face from the cold. So I told you that I would share with you um, my tasting of the shake for the first time, and I'm going to share with you. I have my meal replacement shake. I'm doing the 310 meal replacement system where, well, what I do is I do two shakes a day and a meal, and I do some snacks in between. So the shake I'm going to try today is Peppermint Swirl. Okay, so I got this because of the holiday season. But with the Peppermint Swirl, I love the taste of chocolate. So I'm going to put 8 ounces of chocolate milk into my Ninja. And I'm going to put a scoop of the Peppermint Swirl. So bear with me. You're catching this firsthand first. All right, so bear with me. I'm putting in 1 cup of chocolate milk, okay? And let's see. You can actually see what I'm doing, okay? All right, so I did the chocolate milk, and I'm gonna put in a scoop of the peppermint swirl. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. It smells good. Smells pepperminty. All right. Now, what I always do, usually, I'll put ice cubes in mine. So I guess because 7 is God's perfect number, I always put 7 ice cubes. It doesn't matter, but that's just me. So I put 7 ice cubes. Okay, so let's see, can you see that okay? Let me print this down some. Okay, then I also take the supplements, Thin and Metaboost, okay? All right, so I'm not gonna, sometimes I'll add some cinnamon to it, but with the with the peppermint and the chocolate, I think that's a pretty potent combination by itself. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and blend that up. All right, bear with me. And we are going to make a little noise here. All right, so here we go. I'm anticipating that this shake, is going to taste good because I love chocolate and I love peppermint. And just the thought of the combination of the two, it just sounds good. So I still hear some ice cubes, so I'm going to blend some more. Okay. So on your weight loss journey, I don't know if you saw the post where I posted about the squirrel and the snail. We're good. Okay, I don't hear any more ice cubes. I blend until I don't hear the ice cubes. So as I was saying, I don't know if you saw the post about the squirrel and the snail, but I was out walking and I saw snail and I saw a squirrel, and I was saying how the Lord has showed me how the snail is slow and steady. And if left undisturbed, both of them are going to reach their destination and do whatever it is they want to do. But in my observing the squirrel, I noticed that the squirrel collecting nuts, but along his journey, he would stop, eat some of the nuts, and then he'd keep going, and then he'd come back and get some more nuts and just keep going through to say he eat, instead of just getting the nuts and taking them, he would stop and eat some of the nuts and then go. So that's, the Lord just kind of made me think about the weight loss journey, stopping and starting like the squirrel. Stop, ate nuts, took it, came back and had to do it again because he ate some of the nuts. So he had to repeat the cycle. Like so many of us in our weight loss journey, we find that we have to repeat cycles. And it's okay. I'm not saying that there's anything wrong with it, but it's just eventually for myself, I'm to the point where I don't want to keep repeating the cycle. I just want to accomplish this goal and then just be on the maintenance phase, just be on the maintenance for the rest of my life, So, and that's what I'm doing. So I found that watching the snail slow and steady, I realized that if that's what I do, slow and steady, I'm going to accomplish my goal. But along the way, learning good, clean, healthy habits. So my shake is complete. I have my 310 cup. It says, think positive, be positive. I love it. So let me open this, and I am pouring in the shake. Okay. Smells good. So, all right. Also from 310, I did get, they sent me some straws. So, and they sent me straws as well as a straw cleaner. I'm telling you, 310, that's one of the best things I've done. Okay, so here's a straw. Let me just rinse this straw really quick. All right, so you're getting this firsthand raw peppermint swirl shake. Well, should I say chocolate peppermint swirl shake. First time, 310. I'm real, okay? I'm genuine with my reactions. It's good. I would love to taste more peppermint, but it's good. But then too, it could be because I brushed my teeth, so you have that toothpaste taste. But it's good. Wow. Okay, this is January, but this shake, it would be so nice in July when it's hot, because this is like cool and refreshing. The pepperminty, it has like a cool, and then I guess with the ice cubes, this is very, very, it's refreshing. And I like the taste. It's real smooth. There's no chalky taste. Listen. Okay, this one is a hit. Peppermint Swirl. And again, I did it with the Silk Dark Chocolate Almond Milk. Okay. And I'm going to take my, what do you call these? I guess, supplements. My thin. And my boost. Now the boost, it just, man, I tell you, when you work out and you take boost, it keeps you going, but it's not a stimulant. It doesn't like make you feel jittery or to me, it just feels like normal. It's just that I'm more active. Normal. normal. No stimulant, no like, oh my God, I just gotta go, I gotta go. No, this is a natural, normal energy. And it's not like a burst of energy. It's just like it's a normal energy. It's there, it goes, and I don't notice when it hits or when it stops. It's just normal. So man, I'm doing a lot of plugins for 310. They need to pay me. But they don't have to. Actually, they are paying me because they're helping me with my weight loss. So, like I said, you got this footage raw. Chocolate, let me see, dark chocolate silk almond milk and peppermint swirl 310 meal replacement shake. I like it. I like it. All right, so again, just want to encourage you while you're on your journey, excuse me. I want to encourage you to be a snail. Now, sometimes you have to be a squirrel, just depending on what you got going on. Sometimes you need to do things quick. You know, you may need to lose 10, 20, 15 pounds for an event that's coming up, and you may need to do things quick. But if you have the time and you're not pressed, I understand the mentality, I want to lose this weight, I want to get it off now. But if you're not pressed for an event or something coming up, if you take your time and do it, excuse me, like the snail, slow and steady, you are going to more than likely maintain your weight loss. Because when it comes off quick, you're not really learning those healthy habits along the way. See, a habit is something that you have taken on, you're doing on a regular basis. And so when you do the weight loss quickly, those habits aren't formed. So good, healthy habits are formed when you lose weight slow and steady. I've been doing this since October 1st, and I haven't been on the scale yet this year. And I don't weigh myself that often. I just go according to my clothes and the mirror, and I do see a difference. The last time I did check, I was somewhere between 25 and 30 pounds. So loss. So I probably won't weigh in until maybe sometime in February. That's one of the things that I've learned with the slow and steady, is that the scale is not my friend. I'm telling y'all, that is not my friend. You know, I would kick the scale. I used to get on that scale every day and get discouraged, depressed, and 2 weeks in, say, I'll forget it, and just quit and give up. I may win a month, but I'm not doing that anymore. Okay, I have the time. I'm the snail. I'm slow and steady. And I'm learning so much along the way. I mean, all of this water, all of this clean eating, my skin, my joints. Whew, I got a birthday next week. Today is Wednesday. My birthday is in a week, okay? And I'll probably tell you on my birthday how old I'm turning. But I don't feel it. I don't look it. And sometimes I just have to tell myself, you really are. You really are. But I feel great. And slow and steady for me, it works. It's work. And it is worth it. Now, eventually, I'm going to tell you one of my main goals. I want to run again. I want to run. My knees got kind of messed up, with the weight and all. But I'm working on that, building up, strengthening the muscles around the knee. Coach told me you can't strengthen the knee, but you can strengthen the muscles around the knee. So that's what I'm going to be working on. So anyway, just wanted to let you see me do a taste test of the Peppermint Swirl and the dark chocolate silk almond milk. It's a hit, okay? 310, y'all did it again. It's a hit. All right. So anyway, y'all have a wonderful day. I'm going to let y'all go so I can finish off my shake and jump into my day. And I'm going to go for a walk a little bit later. And I'll probably do some footage while I'm out there just to share with you, okay? And I may have a special guest with me today. Maybe. All right. Love y'all. Happy, happy, happy journey. All right. Bye.